This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the BTransfer M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the latest price. The M1630 Pro is designed for both beginners and professionals who want reliable, high-quality results in fabric printing. One of the most impressive things about this model is its speed. Thanks to the advanced Epson F1080 printhead, it delivers double the printing speed compared to two L1800 printers combined, which means higher productivity without compromising on detail or color accuracy. Whether you're printing for personal use or running a small business, that boost in efficiency can make a big difference in day-to-day operations. Another standout feature is the Smart Holiday mode. Unlike many other DTF printers that risk clogging after a few days of inactivity, this one automatically circulates and stirs the white ink while also running light cleaning cycles. That takes away the stress of constant maintenance and makes it especially useful for part-time users or anyone who doesn't print daily. It's built to protect your investment while keeping the printer ready to go whenever you are. The bundle also includes a laptop with all the necessary drivers, software, and tutorials pre-installed. This makes setup almost effortless, and even if you're just starting out with DTF printing, you won't feel lost. The printer also comes with consumables and an oven, so you're essentially getting a complete package to start printing right away. Print quality is where this machine really shines. It produces vibrant, long-lasting designs on both dark and light fabrics, with crisp edges and consistent ink adhesion. The built-in heating and vacuum suction system play a big role in this, ensuring the film stays flat and wrinkle-free while boosting print sharpness. The integrated cutter, which works in both auto and manual modes, minimizes waste and makes the process more efficient. Of course, no printer is perfect. Its larger size may not be ideal if you're short on workspace, and the price point is higher than entry-level models. However, what you're paying for is reliability, speed, and long-term performance that cheaper machines often struggle to deliver. Finally, the dedicated customer support and lifetime software updates provide added peace of mind. If you're serious about t-shirt printing and want a solution that balances speed, quality, and ease of use, the M1630 Pro DTF printer is a strong choice.